Ha! Welcome back to my channel. Happy Halloween. How are you today? We're doing just splendid. Today, Starbucks came out with a new witch's brew. Come join me and my witchy sisters on a journey to try the new Frappuccino.
That's the witch's brew. Alright, you about to taste the witch's brew?
It's nasty.
It tastes like Fruity Pebbles.
For real?
Pebbles up.
Go Pebbles!
Yeah. And this pumpkin spice latte in my mouth afterwards.
She's like,
It tastes like cream pebbles and orange sickle.
Oh, that's hard.
Yeah, unless that's just the.
No, I taste orange.
Okay.
Okay, I guess it's my turn now.
Here, I'll hold it.
Oh god.
Okay.
So. Is this how you split a Starbucks straw 3 ways?
Right?
Okay. Who's gonna finish this?
With our little mini straws. I know, it's weird, isn't it?
Hold up, let's go do it.
It's like, I like Fruity Pebbles, but I don't drink Fruity Pebbles.
It's a Fruity Pebble aftertaste, that's for sure.
And then those green seeds just throw me off. Y'all had it.
Yeah, it tastes like orange, but definitely Fruity Pebbles aftertaste.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh god. Okay, that's weird. Okay, last thoughts.
Last thoughts. Fruity Pebbles should stay in your cereal.
Jay?
Yes. And don't add the popsicle taste. Orange popsicle taste, leave that out. And the seeds.
So we need a seedless witch's brew
Yeah.
that doesn't have our lizard scales on it because they failed. But other than that, it's pretty cool. I mean, aesthetically, it's pretty cool. So just a fun drink.
I'm drinking cool, but drinking it wise, I don't know. It's not really for me. I don't know if it was because of the pumpkin latte aftertaste.
It wasn't, I tasted it
For
too.
real? I'm like,
And I just had black coffee. Yeah.
yeah,
So it's a bit odd.
yeah.
So, alright, well, say bye. Bye, guys.
Bye.
See you later.